You're watching the very special India Today Mind Rocks Youth Summit with me, Nabila Jamal. And today we have a special guest joining us, Rana Daggubati, the significant face of the South, actor par excellence. We all know him as Ballala Deva from Bahubali. Joining us, Rana, thank you. You've broken all our hearts with your wedding announcement here.
Well, I think I'm growing up and I think it's time to get married, no?
Why? Is there like a written rule that you've got to get married at this time, especially when
No.
you're peaking with all the women fans?
Well, nothing much for single people to do out in this world, so I think it's best to be married.
uh, did the lockdown really drive you? You know, they say distance makes the heart grow fonder.
No, well, my fiance lives like 3 kilometers from my house, so it's like we're in the same vicinity. So,
Okay, so you met her quite regularly. So yeah,
yeah,
you had
yeah.
nothing else to do. You were there in front of each other all the while, and then eventually decided, okay, let's just make this official.
No. Well, I think it's sometimes you know when the right time is, and that's about it. So I don't question when things are going very correctly.
Awesome. So you want to
Yeah.
tell us a little about Mihika Bajaj? We're very curious to know because, like I said, you have a huge
I,
female
I
following
like
within
I
your
like to keep
industry
my
across the
private life
country.
as private as possible. That's how I've always been. So which is why you just heard about uh, all the information very quickly. But she's lovely. I think we kind of just make a great pair. We just there's positive energy from one another. So I think it's a good life.
It's a
Looking
good life,
forward.
but as private as it is, this is
Yeah.
possibly the first time that we saw you all mushy on social media.
See, which is why I don't keep talking about it. Huh?
Right? I mean, going down on your knees, proposing, gosh. I mean, tell me one other actor who's done it so elaborately and so, I mean, we seldom see stars putting this out, a proposal to their loved one. And the way you did it, it certainly
No, I
set
mean
precedence, I should say. Because guys are shy, all right? They wouldn't really make that announcement in such a way where you're actually going down on your knees and making a formal proposal. You did it, you put it up on social media, you made the announcement. This is every girl's dream, trust me.
Okay. See, one is I don't know what all you've seen on social media, but I think the other actors don't get a chance because there's always media around them, and I think it's just nicer for me that way.
All right, so it was adorable, super cute.
Thank you.
Congratulations on the roka
Thank you.
and all the ceremonies that took place.
Thank you. Thank you
Any
very
word
much.
on the wedding date?
Well, I'm getting married on the 8th of August, so it's right
Okay.
around the corner. Yes.
Awesome. So amid the lockdown, you found love. Is that what kept you busy? And if not, what else that really absorbed your attention on the whole Rana?
Well, see, I mean, on a personal front, I think it's probably been the best time of my life, getting married. I think that's been pretty awesome. On a professional front, obviously, we know many things have been very different. We don't know. It's quite uncertain what the situation is, but I think it's time to do what we can do best, which is develop the right content, understand what are new formats of storytelling, and there's a new world out there that requires a lot of content and a lot of storytelling. So I think I'm good that way.
All right, so I hear that you're doing a good bunch of animation series that you're keeping yourself busy with, and you already foresaw the effects of the lockdown and the pandemic, more importantly on the industry as such. But you're someone who always motivated, never lost hope, and in hindsight, since you knew that this is going to be detrimental for the industry to function in a normal fashion, shift all of it, at least shift the ideas and innovative thoughts that you have onto OTT platforms. So you've been promoting OTT quite much. Take us through your flair on OTT platforms. You've also produced a couple of projects on Netflix, your latest
Yes.
being Krishna with his Leelas.
Yeah, Krishna and his Leela. So that's a
Yeah.
film that released 2 weeks ago on Netflix and was very successful, very positive. It's been on the top lists for a while now. It's also on a regional platform called AHA. So I think for a film of that nature, for talent that's very new or has done probably the first to second film, I think getting a national wide reach on OTT, I think has been something quite phenomenal. The second thing that I'm doing is actually I have an animation show which will also be on one of the OTTs very soon. It's a show, it's a talk show called Why Are You? And yeah, I think today is, I mean, for the next 12 months in realistic timelines, I think I don't think there's any big project that we can start very quickly or get complete very quickly. So I think the priority has shifted to what we can do, and as actors or producers, we have a bunch of other skills. We have different ways of storytelling, and I think we'll find the best way. And I think animation is something I've been fond of when I was 16 years old. It was my first job before I was an actor. So, well, there it is. I just put two and two together, and the show's that's the beginning of the show. That's Why Are You?
Yeah, I mean, speaking of, your Netflix production there, Krishna and his Leelas, it came in with a lot of appreciation, at the same time, that much flack that it received for,
Ye-
hurting religious sentiments. What's your take on that? As much as people say that this could be a modern take on Krishna and Leela.
See, these are general names, right? Like, see, I have like 10 other Telugu films that are titled Krishna. And it's just that the OTT has been much bigger in terms of what it is. The reach of an OTT has been so much larger for films like these. It's just that they got noticed. Now, if you watch the film, it's no reference harming anybody or anything. And I'd never be somebody who does that, because I mean, probably the biggest fan of mythology and storytelling in mythology. And I do far more than what anyone's doing in the mythology space. So I'd be no one to ever hurt any of these sentiments, or any product that I make will never hurt any sentiments like that.
Great. All right.